Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an AirTag. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the newest iOS. This ensures smooth compatibility. Next, activate both Bluetooth and location services in your iPhone settings. Finally, unwrap your AirTag and pull out the small plastic tab to activate its battery. You should hear a chime indicating it is ready to connect. Now, bring your activated AirTag very close to your unlocked iPhone. Within a few seconds, a Connect card will pop up on your screen, prompting you to begin the pairing process. Simply tap the Connect button. You will then be asked to select a descriptive name for your AirTag from a list, like keys or backpack, making it easy to identify later. After naming your AirTag, it will automatically register to your Apple ID. This links the AirTag to your personal account for secure tracking. Double-check the chosen name and confirm the item it will be attached to. Then, review the terms and conditions presented on your screen. Once you are comfortable, tap Agree to finalize this important step and proceed with the setup. Congratulations! Your AirTag is now fully set up and ready to help you keep track of your valuables. You can easily view its current location on a map within the Find My app on your iPhone. For items that are close by, within about 30 feet, you can utilize the incredibly helpful precision finding feature to guide you directly to them with visual and haptic feedback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.